Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today's video is all about the 5 key principles that can put you on the path to becoming a millionaire in your 20s. But becoming rich isn't just about the money. It's about the person you need to become to achieve that level of success. Here's the revised script with a few more details added to each principle. Principle 1. Diversify your income streams. Forget the myth of the single get-rich-quick scheme. The reality is, there are a million ways to make $1 million or more. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different avenues to generate income. Here are some ideas to get you started. Freelancing. Offer your skills and expertise on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. This could be anything from writing and graphic design to web development and social media marketing. Even niche skills like data entry or virtual assisting can be lucrative. Start a side hustle. Turn your hobbies or passions into a profitable venture. Maybe you're a whiz at baking delicious cookies. Start an online bakery. Or perhaps you love fixing things around the house. Offer handyman services in your local area. Consider the time commitment you can realistically manage alongside your main job. Invest in rental properties. This requires some initial capital, but owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income over time. Research the local market and rental trends before diving in. Become an affiliate marketer. Promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale you generate. Choose products you genuinely believe in and target a specific audience for better results. Remember, the key is to diversify your income streams. This way, if one source dries up, you'll have others to fall back on. By constantly learning and developing new skills, you'll become a more valuable asset and open doors to even more income opportunities. Principle 2. Address your inner obstacles. Many people struggling financially blame external factors like the economy or bad luck. However, the truth is, your biggest roadblock could be staring right back at you in the mirror. Take a deep dive into your habits and identify any negative patterns that might be holding you back. Are you easily distracted by social media notifications? Do you struggle with procrastination when it comes to tackling important tasks? Do you prioritize unhealthy habits that drain your energy and focus? Addressing these internal limitations is crucial for success. Here are some tips to overcome these obstacles. Practice mindfulness. Techniques like meditation can help you become more aware of your thoughts and behaviors, allowing you to make conscious choices that align with your goals. Set clear boundaries. Learn to say no to distractions and commitments that don't serve your bigger vision. Schedule specific times to check emails and social media to avoid getting sucked in. Develop healthy routines. Prioritize quality sleep, nutritious meals, and regular exercise. A healthy body fuels a healthy mind, and a healthy mind paves the way for financial success. Principle 3. Invest in yourself, not just the market. While investing can be a part of your financial strategy, it shouldn't be your primary focus when you're starting out. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Develop valuable skills that can generate consistent income. Whether it's attending workshops, taking online courses, or learning from mentors, prioritize building your knowledge and ability to make money. Principle 4. Break free from limiting habits. We all have things that hold us back. It could be social media, unhealthy relationships, or unproductive habits. Identify what's hindering your progress and make a conscious effort to break free. This might involve deleting distracting apps, distancing yourself from negative influences, or making changes to your diet and routine. Remember, Success requires sacrifice, and letting go of these things will propel you forward. Principle 5. Make a powerful promise. Find someone you deeply care about and make a promise to them that achieving financial freedom will improve their life as well. This external commitment, along with the internal promise to yourself, creates a powerful motivator. It becomes something bigger than just personal gain, adding an emotional layer to your goals. Building wealth is a journey, and I'm here to be your guide along the way. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more actionable tips on building wealth, personal development, and achieving financial freedom in your 20s. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video.